Hello everyone, welcome back to session 3 of our eye drawing masterclass. In our last session, we focused on the structure of the eye, looking closely at how to draw the iris, the pupil, and the eyelashes. We even put all those elements together to complete our first eye drawing. Today, we are going to focus entirely on how to draw eyebrows. Before we start drawing a complete realistic eyebrow, there are a few important practice exercises we need to cover first. Our very first exercise is drawing the overall shape or outline of the eyebrow. As you know, eyebrows come in many different shapes. For example, an eyebrow can be arched like this, or it can be a bit more straight. We also have sharp, angled eyebrows and many other variations. So your first step is simply to practice sketching this general outline. The second exercise is all about mapping out the flow and direction of the eyebrow hairs. If you remember from our previous lessons, we always use tapered lines, meaning lines that are thin and soft on both sides. To get these sharp, clean lines, your pencil must always be perfectly sharp. For this exercise, we will just draw the bottom guideline, and then we will start practicing the flow of the hair. This is just a basic practice run to understand the direction of the growth without worrying about the roots yet. For the next exercise, we want to practice drawing an eyebrow from imagination. But keep in mind, when you are creating a truly realistic drawing, you cannot actually draw that harsh bottom guideline. We have to create the entire shape using only the hair strokes themselves, without any underlying hard lines. Now, let's look at the different parts of an eyebrow by drawing one together. Remember to constantly rotate the pencil in your hands as you work. This keeps the tip wearing down evenly. An eyebrow has a few distinct sections. Right here at the front is the head of the eyebrow. The hairs here are very soft and wispy, so you should apply very light pressure to your pencil. Again, make sure you are using tapered strokes and a sharp pencil. Moving along, this main section is the body of the eyebrow. The hairs in the body are thicker and denser. Here we can use quick back and forth tapered stroke to build up volume. Keep rotating your pencil as you draw these darker, more defined strokes. Finally, we reach the tail of the eyebrow. In this section, you can apply a bit more pressure because the hairs here tend to look sharper and more defined. One of the most important rules to remember when drawing eyebrow is to always align your pencil with the natural direction of the hair growth before you make your stroke. Another key details to look at is the roots of the hair. Right now, this sketch doesn't have visible roots. To make the eyebrow look realistic, the root strokes must start from slightly inside the main shape and move outward. If we use arrows to show this, they look like this, breaking slightly past the main boundary. To sum up everything we covered today, here are exercises you need to practice. First, sketch the overall outline shape. Second, practice mapping out the general direction of the hair flow. And finally, drawing a complete eyebrow from your imagination. Always align your pencil stroke with the direction of the hair growth. Start your root strokes from the inside moving out. Use tapered lines and keep your pencil sharp. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it help you. If you have any question or need help with your drawing, just leave a comment below and I will gladly answer them.